there. Right there. That's good. It's fine. It's fine. Let's move on to the next 10. So we got 11 trees, one down, right side courtyard. We just want to make sure that the trees get positioned properly, and we got 10 more on the street.
The trees come from Fresno area, and these are old growths. The trees are about 65 years old. They are working olive groves, and they have been working for many years. So now the farmers, they're kind of converting their farm to something different.